Hello, this is Archer.
And this is Riley.
And today we're going to be blindfolding each other and we're going to be making noises, maybe squishing food or stuff like that. And we're going to have to guess the sound. And whoever gets 3 wrong, so the person that won has to give them like a punishment or something like that. Like one of the other videos, like something like when the last one we had the dog food eating when we ate them at the last time. So take me into the kitchen. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, I don't want to bump into anything.
I have to sit down.
Where's the camera? And where is the chair?
Sit down this way.
I feel like I can't see it. I can't see anything.
Actually, the first one is going to be this.
I really want to take it off. Wait, not me.
Let's see what it is first. Wait a second. It is...
You can whisper it.
No, we'll just show it on camera. So, ready? What is this sound, Archer? Go on then, Riley.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, is it those spaghetti things?
It is spaghetti! Don't take your blindfold off. We've got others. Put your blindfold back on. Put your blindfold back on, though. We've got others. Got 2 more. Put your blindfold back on and sit down.
2 more.
2 more.
I really hate that one.
Right. Oh, the last one's the worst. Okay, now you do the second one, but keep your blindfold on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Wait. Don't.
The third one is really yucky.
Right, now, what's this one? Ooh. What's that, Archer?
No, that's hard.
Why don't you use this, Riley?
It feels like it's hot.
Oh! Whoa!
Ice cubes.
No, and keep your blindfold on the whole time. Even if you guess it, you got to keep it on because I don't want you to see the last one. Oh, Betsy's eating it. Why don't you eat it, Riley, and make the sound of it? Ooh. Oh.
Something hard.
It is something hard.
And it's hard. It's hard because it's hard.
You've got 2 more guesses after.
Yeah, 2 more guesses.
Then when you get the crackers.
Oh, it is crackers! Don't take your blindfold off. Keep your blindfold on because now.
Let's just do this.
No, you have to use your hand. Now is the ultimate.
Can I get a spoon?
Okay, get a spoon.
Oh.
This one is scaring Riley. This one is freaky.
What is it?
This one is freaky.
Is it a pumpkin?
This one is.
No.
Right. Right, ready? Listen.
Oh my god.
What is it, Archer?
I can't hear anything. All I can hear is banging it on the bowl.
Right, Riley, I think it's time to get your hands in there.
Oh no.
For YouTube. Do it.
Oh, okay.
Here it goes. Ugh!
Slime? No.
It is slimy. What does it smell of, Riley?
Is it food?
It is food.
Oh, I
Right.
can't think of anything.
Last guess. We'll clean your hands in a minute, Riley.
I've got 2 more guesses.
2 more guesses.
What is the slime? What food is slimy? No.
Last guess. Last guess. What's it gonna be? If you don't guess it, you have to lick it off his finger.
Oh, no. What is it? Is it?
That's the trick, isn't it? You have to just literally touch for YouTube. If you guess it wrong, you just have to put your tongue out, and he has to just touch his finger. No clues.
Cat food?
Oh, it is cat food! Oh no, I want to see him eat cat food. Look.
Actually,
You can have a look now. Have a look over the table. He's been. Oh.
I am so happy. Subscribe because
Stand back. I can't see you.
Subscribe
Stand back.
because I only had 1 more guess and I guessed
back.
it right. Subscribe to this
Stand back.
channel because I am awesome and I only had 1 guess.